In this video, we are going to take a look at how we can create this download button animation using Figma. So the concept is here. When I click on the download button, this icon will move clockwise and get smaller. I will show you. When I click on the download button, it moves clockwise and disappear after some time. And here we have the download progress. The green color represents the download progress bar. And when this completed, we will have a button like this and a small animation here. So here I am in Figma artboard. These are two designs we are going to achieve, and these are the icons. One is download icon and the second one is checkbox. I have used this icon from this material design icon, which is contain a huge set of icons. You will find this in community section. So here we have this design, and now we'll start building this structure. So for the download button, I will make a frame of 130 pixel width and let's say 45 pixel in height. Make it completely rounded by giving maximum size of 100 pixel. Then I will change color to the blue. You can find the color code from here also. Then what we need is this text. So I will add a text here. Make it center align. Then I will duplicate this, and here we have the green color and the text will be open file. So now we are going to build three components. I will tell you why we need three components. So when we go to prototype, the first component we need to animate this download button from the circular motion and by reducing this size. So this will be our first component. Second component will be this progress button with a stop icon, and another component we needed is to animate this check mark when download is complete. So we are going to build three components here. So we'll start making our first component. I will duplicate this icon here. I'll zoom in a little bit. Then what I need to just duplicate this and select the icon in the middle, and I will just rotate this like this, and will change the size to the smallest 1 pixel, and here I will change the opacity from 100% to 0. Don't hide this icon, just reduce this opacity to the 0. So now we have our first component ready. It's very easy and simple. I will select both components and go to the components here and create component set. So now we have this download. I will rename this download icon component is ready. So here I will say 100% opacity, and for this I will say 0%. So now we have created our download button component. Now we are going to create a progress bar. So it's a little bit complex. So for that circular progress bar, I will draw a circle first with 30 pixel in width and height. So here just make it arc like this, and from here select 100% fill, and here we have 85% in width like this. Then name it as a background. Now just duplicate this here and cut the half portion by changing this 100% to the 50%. Now give the color, I will say green here, and just rotate this. Let's say this one is our R1, and just duplicate this. Now we have R1 and R2 here. So I will grab them here and put it exactly on the background. So select R2. So I have selected R2 and duplicate this like this, and let's rename it as L1, and select L1 and move like this and duplicate the L1, so it automatically give the L2. So select L2 and L1 here and say use as a mask. Select R2 and R1, then select use as a mask. So here I will say mask L, and for here I will say mask R, and now we have the background. So go to mask R, select R2, and from this top right corner rotate like this. Select L2 also, and from this top right corner rotate this, so we'll have a completely gray background will appear. So select mask L, mask R and background, and create a frame. So I will say here progress backslash and let's say 0. Now you have to create a component. Select add variant. So now here we want 50% green color should be appear. So I am in the second variant. Go to 50%, open this and go to mask R and rotate from the top right corner like this, only 50%. Then duplicate the second one and name it as 100. In this, select L2 and rotate this from the bottom right corner. Don't rotate from the top right, just select L2 and rotate it from the bottom right corner like this. So now we have our progress bar ready. So this is our second component, and now let's animate the third one, which is the checkbox button like this. So for that we need to create a 3 variants. I will name it as 1. Create a component, select a variant. What you just need to do is change the size from 18 pixel to 12 pixel, 13 pixel, anything you want, but smaller than the original one. And again duplicate this like this and change back to the 18 pixel. So we have bigger icon, smaller, and then again bigger icon, and here I will say check, that means check mark. So now we have the 3 components ready, and now it's time to animate them. So here I have renamed all the variants properly. So for the download icon, the first name is 100%, that shows 100% opacity of the icon. In the second one we have 0%. Then for the progress, this one has a 0 progress, this has a 50, and here we have this 100. And for the check mark we have this big one that represents the big symbol. Here we have this small icon, and here we have again big 2. So give the proper name for the components. So what I'll do is I'll just use this icon here, and what we are going to do, just use this icon and drop it in a frame. You can duplicate this from here also, or you can just go to asset and here make it as a list view, and here you will find the download icon. So from here I will adjust this, and for this download button create a component. Now we need a variant of this, so this will be a first download button. When I click on it, I want the second variant, that means 0% opacity. Then create a variant of the second one, and here let's say 3. just delete this icon, and from here I will add a progress. So here the x and y coordinates are 10, 8, so I will use exactly same. So here you will see the gray color. I will simply fix this. Alright, so now we have this color. So in the prototype you have seen that we have this download button, and inside that we have the stop icon. So we will create, let's create a rectangle, give it 1 or 2%. I'll say 1 pixel border radius. I will just copy this rectangle and place inside here and here also. So we have this stop icon and the progress bar. So now we want here 50%. Duplicate this and change this variant to the 100%. And once the progress button completed, we want to show this green button that says open file. So for that I will duplicate this. I will change the text here, open file. I will delete this icon because we are going to add the check icon here, and from here I will change the background color also. Go to assets, select check and down place it here at exactly same position, which gives a smoother effect. So here we have 10 and 8, here also we have 10, 8. So make sure this first component will be big one. Now we want small button here, so let's say small here. Duplicate this and again change it to big 2. So we have big button, small and again big. So now we have created a variants, so it's time to animate. For demonstration I will add a frame. I will place this button here so that we can understand everything works well. So now this first button I will select. When I click on this button should be animate. When I click on it I will choose smart animate, and here you have to say linear instead of is in is out. Say linear here and with 400 ms. So let's say here we have this frame. I will zoom in a little bit. So when I click on it, you see it rotates and the icon disappears. So the first stage is working fine. So when this button opens, I want it to navigate to the third variant without any delay. So I will say 0 here. When you select 0, but it automatically use 1. So the minimum value is 1. So by mistake I select 0, it automatically select 1 here. And here for the smart animate I will say instant, because I want this button to be appear as instantly this icon disappear. So let's say I will restart this. When I click on it, as instantly we have this progress. So now we want this button to be smart animate. So here I will say after delay, here let's say 1 here. Go to smart animate and here choose linear instead of is in is out, because we want a linear animation, and by default it's 400 ms here. So same for this button. Let's connect to this. Go to after delay, select 1, and by default it's smart animate 400 ms. So let's see if everything works. I will restart this. When I click on this button, okay, it's working very fine. But as you see, this progress is pretty much fast. So for that we have to fix this ms. So here by default it's 400. I will say 1500 here also and 1500 here. So note that highest value, smoother your animation will go. So let's say play it again. I'll click on the button, so it's a little bit smoother than earlier. I will make it 2000. Here also I will make it 2000. And now I'll play from beginning. When I click on the button, icon disappear. Then we have the smoother effect for the progress. So now what I want, when this progress completed, instantly I want this button to be appear. So after delay, select 1, and here you can select smart animate also and instant also, but I will choose instant. If you are going to choose smart animate, just make it 10 ms or 100 ms, so keep the value between 10 and 100. So for now I will select instant, and from here I will select after delay 1 millisecond, smart animate, and linear I will select 400. And from the small check to big icon, I will do the same. Go to after delay with 1 millisecond, go to animation, linear 400 ms. And now we have to connect the last component to this second last component, because the animation we want is bigger icon, small icon, big icon, then again small icon. So this type of animation we want. If we remove this, then it goes from this to this small icon and then big icon, and the animation will stop. So we want this infinite time. So I will connect this to the second last one, and from here I will choose after delay as 1 ms. And here from the smart animate, you just need to add 100 or let's say 200, because it gives smooth animation. If you keep the 400, then no issue, but you will not identify the animation properly. So I will say 600 here. So here we have completed our animation, we have variants. So let's see. I will restart this. When I click on the button, we have this progress, and as soon as progress done, we have this open file button, which looks very good.